East Texas Storm Team forecast.
Here's a look at the futurecast wind chill temperatures at 3 p.m. today. Looks to feel like it's in the upper 20s to mid 30s out there with the slightly warmer air out in deep East Texas, but not really going to be a huge difference. But it could feel as cold as 26 in places like Sulphur Springs. Now, as we head into tonight, it's going to get quite cold out there. Temperatures bottom out in the upper teens to lower 20s as you head out the door on your Saturday morning. So if you want to wait a little bit later in the day to get outside Saturday, definitely that's preferable, as it's going to be a really cold start 2-hour day. But if you have to get out early, remember to dress in layers out there. And the beauty about having layers is that if you get too warm, you can take one layer off. If you get too cold, you can put an extra one on. That's one of the only benefits here of this extreme cold weather when you compare it to extreme heat, is that for extreme cold, at least you can layer up as much as possible to feel warmer. And if you're working outdoors in those conditions, remember to have hats, gloves, scarves, and take frequent breaks, and also stay hydrated as well. Normal high temperature is 58 degrees. We are going to be below that, well below that for the weekend as Arctic air round number 2 moves in for the area. Thankfully, it's not as cold as what we saw earlier this week. As you can see, we at least climb above freezing each afternoon, Saturday, Sunday, and of course today as well. But as we head into next week, we'll finally start to grow above average temperature-wise with those highs in the 60s Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday as well. So we're back above average by then, and that is as rain chances are set to return. And between Sunday night and Friday morning, here's a look at what we can expect with rainfall totals. Keep in mind that most of this will fall Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and especially Monday we'll probably have the heaviest of the rain. 1 to 3 inches of rain will be the general norm across the area, especially for the northern 2/3 of East Texas, including Palestine, Rusk, Jacksonville, up to Overton, Longview, Gilmer, and Pittsburgh. And then in deep East Texas, we do at least have a chance of seeing 3 to 5 inches of rain. And if we can get especially up to 5 inches of rain, that will make a serious dent in the drought that we are seeing. Also can't rule out Sunday night a brief period of freezing rain along the Interstate 30 corridor. Now, the road temperatures are likely to be above freezing, so road impacts are unlikely. There could be light icing on trees out there, but it may not even be noticeable because that will melt pretty quickly as it changes to all rain during the day on Monday. So this is not going to be impactful winter weather, but it's certainly a possibility that we could see some icing on trees, and maybe bridges and overpasses could become slick if it gets cold enough. It will depend on the exact temperature that we see, which will still become more clear as we get closer. Now, 4-hour day today, we climb into the low 40s. It will be colder with winds gusting up to 30 miles per hour, especially through the first half of the day. And then for tonight, we are going to see those temperatures drop down to about 20 degrees with mostly clear skies. Going to be very cold out there for tonight, so make sure to bundle up, leave those faucets dripping once again, as we unfortunately have another hard freeze potential tonight. Now, as we take a look at your 7-day forecast, we're dry for the rest of the weekend, although rain is set to return late Sunday into the day on Monday. That rain could be heavy at times on Monday, and then we'll see scattered showers Tuesday and Wednesday with those highs in the 60s. For deep East Texas, it is more of the same. Look for a chilly weekend, but rain does return Sunday night and last through Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday as well, with those highs returning to the 60s. For your latest weather forecast, you can head on over to our website. That is ketk.com, and we'll have more news and weather for you coming up after the break.